Hi, and welcome to another edition of Lee's Thoughts, and today I have Susie with me too. That's awesome. Today we got a vendor sent us another great product. It's an office chair, and we're sitting in our outdoor office, so this is awesome.
Perfect.
So Susie's going to coach me through. She's a little anal about these things, and she likes instructions. She likes putting things together. So she said she must help me put this together. She's forcing me.
I like to put things together. Also, this is a free product, and it is a paid review.
Thank you.
Got to keep that in there.
Yes, we do. I always have to say that in front of our videos. So we're going to start without further ado. Really, we have a lot of parts down here on the ground, so from this point forward, I'm going to point the camera down here on the ground, and you can just watch us build it. Hey, Susan.
Well, we are going to take number 4, which is this guy. I'm very curious as to why
Me too. I've put a lot of these chairs together.
So you're going to snap that in there, but what is the purpose of
I don't know. I've never seen a chair that had this. I'm going to snap it in?
Yeah, just snap it in.
Huh.
Which is weird. That doesn't have a purpose, I guess.
Really? That's it? Okay.
That's very strange.
Okay. What's next?
Okay, so next, number 2, you're going to put that one in there. I don't know what that's
And how do I put that in there? Like this?
Let me look. Yes.
Or up through here?
Nope. It sits on top. Perfect.
Okay. All right.
And then you're going to put the casters on.
Oop. So casters, you're just popping those in here just like this?
Yep.
If you've never put an office chair together, it's not rocket science. Apparently Susie thinks it is because she had to help me.
I was just mainly so curious about that one foot, and now
there's got to be a purpose to it, right?
I don't know. Maybe. We'll see. All right.
Okay, what next?
So now you are going to set that aside.
Okay.
I'll take it over here.
Okay.
And then you're going to take the back.
The back. Which I already touched with my dirty hands. All right.
Yes. And you're going to attach the arms.
The arms.
With the 2 screws, number 11s.
2 number 11s, so there's probably just 2 of them, I would imagine.
There's 10 of them.
Oh, there's 10 of them? Okay, I see them.
Okay.
So we have to figure that out.
This.
Okay. So you put it in there. Are we seeing it here? I just want to make sure I got camera. Good. See, it came like this. Put that in there like so. Fits like that. Then just move your arm down.
So it's not in your way to put that screw in.
Now I can put my screw. Now I can put that bolt in. This bolt in.
And they did provide the hex.
They did provide the hex wrench.
Hex wrench.
All right, there's
Very
one.
nice.
I'm gonna pause this and put the other one on. So we've gotten both of the arms on. So what do we do next?
Okay, so you are going to front away from you.
Front away from me.
Correct. And then you're going to put this. So everything's all pre-drilled and everything.
Oh, okay. So how many screws do I need?
Well, you're going to need
It's like 6 to me.
those other 6 number 11s.
Okay, got them.
Okay?
All right, you might have to hold it up there. Maybe you might have to scoot your chair in.
Because it goes like this, right?
Yep. Maybe I can probably just put one in on each side.
Yeah. Can you see to line them up?
So anyway, we're going to continue putting the rest of these on. We'll be back with you. All right, so we have attached these. Well, I'll put all 6 number 10 screws into this. So we now have a seat. What's next, Susan?
Okay, so the front away from you.
Front away from me. So there's the front, and it's got an arrow right here. It says front.
That's front. Okay, so then this is going on next.
And there's an arrow on this that says front.
Oh, does it really?
Yep.
There you go then.
So I'm going to get my set of 4 screws, I bet.
Yes.
Which comes in this nice little package right here.
Would you like me to hold that package? So
That would be
they don't
great.
fall on the ground again?
That would be great. All right, we're going to tighten these back down, and we'll be with you in a sec. All right, so I've got this firmly mounted on here. This is your adjuster, so you can adjust it for your swivel back, your rocking. So, what's next, Susan?
Okay, so if you would lift that up and turn it over, we're going to slide it right down on here.
Okay. Put it right down on the dealio?
Yep.
So now what's left? Me to sit in it?
Okay, so your caps,
Okay, I do have some caps here.
4 caps.
And it does come with an extra cap and 2 extra screws. And they are extra.
The short ones, so those are for the seat, which makes sense because if the seat comes loose. So those caps are for right here on the side with the arms.
Okay, you want to? You can do something too.
Nice.
Oh, nice.
Very good.
Here, I'll show that. See? Right there. Covers up the screw holes. Would you like to do the honors or should I?
I will.
All right.
Ooh.
Is it comfy?
Oh, it is, but it doesn't let me move back.
Well, let me adjust that for you. Or maybe it's that way. Right now. Probably only so far it's good. Oh, wait. Up, left, feel free lock.
Yep, up, lift up, and it goes up. Nice.
I can edit all this.
Oh, I undid it.
How'd you do it?
I put it free. And then if you lock it, it locks.
Oh. That makes it better?
Nice. Yeah. Very nice.
Okay.
Seat's nice and firm.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Shows it this way. All right.
And so this control here, it's in free position right now.
Yeah.
But if I sit up and I don't want to go back, I can put it in lock. And then I can't go back.
Okay.
So then I can pull it out and I can tilt it up.
Oh, okay. Awesome.
Nice.
Let's do a spin around all the way.
Spin around all the way.
See the back there? Nice. Very nice. All right, spin all the way around. And then this is a lumbar support. So I can adjust that for wherever.
Oh, I like it all the way in.
Is that all the way in there?
No.
Or
Yeah.
like that? Okay. So that's a lumbar support.
That's nice.
And then these also go up.
Yep. I do know people that work at desks, they don't like the armrest at all.
Well, if you were a larger person too,
Oh, true.
that would make the chair more seatable.
Me a couple years ago.
Yes, exactly. Right.
But it is a nice big seat too.
It is a nice big seat. So go out and get your office chair today.
That's nice.